Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute wolf with wings. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a cute wolf with wings. Here's its big ears. Now let's draw its body. Here's its legs. Now I'm drawing its hand. Let's draw its wings. Here's its another hand. It's holding a magical wand. Now let's draw another wing. Let's complete its face. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my gray pen. I'm using a light gray pen. I'm using my yellow pen. I'm using my red pen. My gray pen again. I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my pencil a bit. Wow, it's looking really cute. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.